Hello, welcome. This is Deepak Lead. In this video, we'll see the top 11 investing books of all time. I'll also share the free PDFs in my Telegram channel. The link will be provided in the description and the comment box. Let's get started. The number one book is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. I want to broadly explain two important concepts or lessons in every book. Lesson number one from this book is margin of safety, that you have to buy stocks which are not overpriced. Actually, you should be selling stocks when they are overpriced. You should buy stocks which are very undervalued. Lesson number two from this book is value versus speculation. You have to analyze a company's fundamentals rather than speculating on price movements of the company's share. Book number two, One Upon Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Lesson number one from this book is you have to invest in what you know. For example, I have invested in stocks like Union Bank, Zomato, GMR Infra and Hathway Cable and made decent profits. I have invested in those companies because I am experiencing their products on a day-to-day basis. Lesson number two from this book is have a long-term perspective. I myself have invested in those companies for more than a year, but real long-term investing is more than 10 years. Book number three is Beating the Street by Peter Lynch again. Lesson number one from this book is portfolio diversification. Diversify your portfolio to mitigate risk. Lesson number two from this book is regular reviews. Keep looking at your stock portfolio to make necessary adjustments. Book number four, Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. Lesson number one from this book is qualitative analysis. Analyze the quality of a company's management, its competitive advantages and long-term growth prospects. Lesson number two from this book is scuttlebutt method, which means gathering information about the company from various sources like customers, employees, suppliers and competitors so that you understand how well the company is doing. Book number five, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. Lesson number one from this book is index fund investing. You have to invest in low-cost index funds to capture the market's overall return with minimal expenses. Lesson number two from this book is cost matters. High fees and expenses of any fund can significantly erode investment returns over time, so you have to focus on minimizing costs. Book number six, The Essays of Warren Buffett by Warren Buffett and Lawrence A. Cunningham. Lesson number one from this book is prudent debt management. Companies with excessive debt should be avoided. That means the balance sheet should be very strong. Lesson number two from this book is business ownership mindset. When you buy a stock, you have to think as if you are the owner of the business. Focus on its fundamentals rather than short-term market fluctuations. Book number seven, Security Analysis by Benjamin Graham and David Dodd. Lesson number one from this book is in-depth financial analysis. Lesson number two from this book is investment versus speculation. Investing based on fundamental analysis is completely different from speculating based on market trends. Book number eight, You Can Be a Stock Market Genius by Joel Greenblatt. Lesson number one from this book is special situations. You can identify and capitalize on special investment situations like spin-offs, mergers and restructurings. Even election, which happened recently in India, is also a special situation. Lesson number two from this book is contrarian thinking. Buy when everyone are selling in frenzy and sell when everyone are selling in a frenzy. Book number 9, The Warren Buffett Way by Robert Hagstrom. Lesson number one from this book is economic moats. See whether the company has a durable competitive advantage that can sustain long-term profitability, not just short-term existence. Lesson number two from this book is management quality. You have to invest in companies in which the management is of high quality. Book number 10, The Outsiders by William Thorndike. Lesson number one from this book is cash flow management. Good companies focus on generating cash flow and efficiently utilizing it. Lesson number two from this book is unconventional thinking. According to the author, successful CEOs often employ unconventional strategies and independent thinking. Book number 11, The Little Book That Still Beats the Market by Joel Greenblatt. Lesson number one from this book is focus on ROIC. You have to invest in companies with high returns on invested capital. Lesson number two from this book is discipline and consistency. Invest with discipline, avoiding emotional decision making. So these are the best 11 books on investing. All these books are available in PDF format in my Telegram channel. Link is provided in the description and comment box. Please download there.
You know that you control me. Guilty self-affliction. Prey on me when I'm lonely. But now you're willing victim.